Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Our readings today reawakes us on how God journeys with us. During the twilight of the life of Moses, he reminded the Israelites how God will continue to be with them. That as they cross the land, the Lord will march before them, He will be with them, He will never fail them, and He will never forsake them. Paalaala na nasa unahan lagi ang Diyos sa anumang laban o sa mga bagong haharapin sa buhay ng mga taong ito. And such is the beautiful action of Jesus. As Jesus spoke of welcoming little children and finding the lost sheep, the Lord will keep His post at the forefront. He is in front when He cares for little children and welcomes them. He is at the forefront, most especially when He seeks out the lost sheep. Hindi ho ba kapag nasa unahan ang isang tao, may kakayanang maggabay ang taong iyon? May sasalungat man o lalaban, or someone will try to execute a certain action, such person will strongly defend, he will fight, and will keep those behind him safe and sound. Nangunguna para mangalaga, para sumalba, at para gumabay. I am sure that all of us too will be or are always crossing experiences in life. A new day, a bunch of work, a bunch of responsibilities, assignments here and then, possessions, daily life per se. We need God to be at the forefront. We remind ourselves that He is at the forefront of every day. That we too are little children needing of His love. That sometimes we are also the lost sheep. Kaya sa usapang pag-aalaga at paghahanap, hindi nahuhuli ang Diyos. Lagi siyang nasa unahan para hanapin at alagaan tayo. God is at the forefront for His children and for His lost sheep. As Moses reminded these people, we will not be afraid, we will not be dismayed, we will not be discouraged, because He walks ahead. He defends us, He will seek out to us, and He will take care of us.